Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the essential document during clinical trial. Essential documents plays a critical role in a clinical trial, ensuring the trial's integrity, compliance and transparency. Here are the some key essential document and their purposes. First document is a protocol. This document outlines the study objective, design, methodology and procedure. It serves as a blueprint for the trial and ensure that all parties involved follow the same plan. Next document is an informed consent form. The ICF details the trial's purpose, procedure, potential risk and benefits. It ensures that participants provide voluntary and informed consent before participating in the trial. Next form is the case report form. This form collects data on each participant's progress throughout the trial. It includes information about the treatment, outcomes and any adverse event. Next document is the investigator brochure. The IB provides comprehensive information about the investigational product, including its pharmacology, toxicology, and potential risk. It assists investigator in understanding and managing participant safety. Next document is a clinical study report, that is CFR. The CFR summarizes the trial's result, including data analysis and data interpretation. It is a comprehensive document used for the regulatory submission and publication. CSR is the important document in the clinical trial. Next document is the medical records and source document. These documents include participants' medical history, test result, and other relevant information. They ensure that accuracy and traceability of data collected during the trial. Next document is an ethic committee or institutional review board, that is IRB approvals. This document shows the trial has been reviewed and approved by an independent ethical committee or institutional review board, ensuring participant safety and ethical conduct. Next document is a regulatory authority communication. It involves correspondence with regulatory authorities regarding trial authorization, update, safety reporting, demonstrate compliance with the regulatory requirement. Next document is a trial master file, that is TMF. The TMF contains all essential documents related to the trial. It provides an organized record of its conduct and ensuring auditability. Next document is a drug accountability records. These records track the allocation, distribution and disposition of an investigational product, ensuring accurate accounting and preventing the misuse. Next document is an adverse event report. This report details any adverse event or side effect experienced by participants during the trial, allowing for the proper assessment and reporting to the regulatory authority. Next document is a monitoring reports. These reports document site visits and assessment conducted by monitor to ensure protocol adherence, data accuracy and participant safety. Next form is the amendments and correspondence. Any changes to the trial protocol, informed consent or other essential documents should be documented along with the related correspondence. Next document is the delegation of responsibilities log. It includes the log outline, the responsibility of each individual involved in the trial from the investigator to sponsor, ensuring clear line of accountability. These documents collectively ensure the trial compliance with the regulatory standards, ethical consideration and data integrity. They also facilitate proper communication among stakeholders and enable accurate reporting of the trial result. That's all about the essential documents during the clinical trial. Thank you.